In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete items from your Bitwarden vault. Bitwarden is a powerful password manager that helps you keep your digital life organized and secure. Sometimes, you might need to remove old or unused entries to keep your vault clean and efficient. Whether for security purposes or simply for tidiness, knowing how to delete items from your Bitwarden vault is a useful skill. Let's dive right in and take you through the process. First things first, we need to head over to Bitwarden's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in bitwarden.com in the address bar. This will take you to the home page of Bitwarden, where you'll see options tailored to business, enterprise, and personal use. For today's tutorial, we're focusing on personal use, so let's log into your account. Next, click on Log In at the right top corner of the website page. Go ahead and enter your email and master password when prompted to sign into your account. If you're worried about remembering yet another password, Bitwarden's got you covered with its built-in password generator and manager. But for now, let's focus on logging in. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Bitwarden vault. This is your central hub where all your passwords, secured notes, and other entries are stored. From here, navigate through your items and identify which one you'd like to delete. It's always a good practice to make sure you no longer need the item before deleting it, as this action will permanently remove it from your vault. Now, click on the item you intend to delete. This will open up the item details, allowing you to review all the information associated with it. Once you're ready to proceed, look for the three-dot icon. This icon is your gateway to more options within the items menu. It typically appears at the top of the item details page, so it should be easy to spot. Click on it to see a drop-down menu with additional actions. In this drop-down menu, you'll find the option labeled Delete. Selecting this will prompt a confirmation dialog box to ensure that you really want to delete the item. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so double-check that you've selected the right item before proceeding. Once you're sure, confirm the deletion by selecting Delete again. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an item from your Bitwarden vault. This process helps maintain a cleaner and more manageable vault, ensuring that only the most relevant information is just a few clicks away. Remember to routinely review and update your vault to maintain optimal security and organization. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, keep your passwords strong and your vault clean.